50 Shades darker, but actually, this isn't darker. It's more romantic, I would say.
Yeah, I think that's probably true, yeah. Yes, but there's probably more sex in it, which...
More sex? Jamie doesn't speak.
No. I make noises. Like, I make, like, American accented noises throughout. No,
that's actually a question, though. Do they let you do that? I mean, like, when you're doing the scenes, does the director say more vocalization? Or do they say less?
There's often there's often some... there's often some...
It's like, they're like, no, that's not good.
Yeah. No one comes like that.
Yeah, they do.
No, but like,
They do, man.
There's some scenes where they will play music, maybe a bit of... If it's a wide shot and it's not like... So it's the closest we get to sort of going for it in one piece. And they'll play music or something. And my temptation is always just to try to make Dakota laugh. So sometimes I'll do things like when there's a moment where I'm meant to, you know, orgasm, I'll be like, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
See, people do that.
Wait, which, by the way, if they don't, they should. Because it's like a Ryanair flight. When a Ryanair flight lands, they go, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. So, yeah.
And was it nicer for you this time? Because last time it was you and sort of everyone else was a woman, the director and everybody. Yeah. But this time it's a man directing. Did that make a difference?
No, not really, to be honest. I mean, I think whoever is tasked with directing those kind of scenes, I mean, you know, these guys know the sex scenes are awkward anyway, and it just needs a very...
This is why I love him. Because he includes me in, yeah, you know, these guys know sex scenes are just really hard. It's like, no, babe.
No. Have you never done a sex scene?
No.
What? We've been in so many films.
I know, but...
Somebody at some point...
No.
Not in Back in the Habit?
No. There might have been a couple of people under that habit, but nothing. No.
What? Was that your decision?
No.
There's still time for that kind of thing.
I don't know, yeah.